Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Delicious Korean egg sandwich with vegetables, salami and cheese. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for a popular Korean breakfast sandwich loved for its fluffy egg filling packed with fresh vegetables, savory salami or ham with melted cheese, and a delicious combination of ketchup and mayonnaise between buttery toasted bread slices. The balance of creamy, crunchy, sweet, and savory flavors makes it a perfect breakfast, snack, or a light meal. So let's get cooking and prepare this delicious Korean egg sandwich. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. For cooking, we have taken 4 eggs to prepare 2 sandwiches, 4 bread slices. We have taken quarter of a medium-sized cabbage. Slice the cabbage very fine as it will not be cooked for too long. We need around 1.5 cups of thinly sliced cabbage. We will also need 3/4 cups of thinly sliced carrot. Cut the carrot into small parts. Then take each part and slice them into very thin slices. Slice the carrot very fine the way I have done. We have taken 3 spring onions. Separate the white part of the spring onion from the green. Cut and discard the bottom of the spring onion. Then slice the white part of the spring onions the way I have done. Also finely cut the green part of the spring onions. You will need 2 cheese slices, 2 salami or ham slices. This is totally optional, you can skip the meat if you want. Half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt. Ingredients for the sandwich: 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Step 2. Preparing the vegetable mixture. Transfer the sliced cabbage to a mixing bowl. Add the sliced carrot. Add the cut pieces of white and green parts of the spring onions. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything nicely so all the vegetables are evenly distributed. Using your hands or a spoon, gently massage the vegetables for around 1 to 2 minutes. This helps to soften the cabbage and the carrots, allowing them to release a little moisture and become more soft and tender. It also helps the seasoning penetrate the vegetables, resulting in a softer and more flavorful sandwich filling. Allow the vegetables to rest for around 5 minutes. Vegetable mixture is ready. Step 3. Preparing the egg mixture. Place the eggs in a mixing bowl. Whisk the eggs nicely. Add half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Whisk them properly. Once done, add the vegetable mixture in the egg bowl. Mix everything nicely until the eggs are fully combined with the vegetables. The mixture should be thick and evenly coated with the eggs. The 4 eggs will create a fluffy, hearty filling that's perfect for making 2 generous sandwiches. Egg mixture is ready. Step 4. Preparing the Korean egg sandwich. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Spread the butter. Place 2 slices of bread and move them around to absorb the butter. Toast them lightly on a pan until golden brown and crisp. This adds extra flavor and helps keep the sandwich from becoming soggy. Apply butter on the bread slices wherever required. Once the bread slices are toasted until golden brown and crisp, Remove them and keep them aside. Similarly, toast the other 2 slices. In the same pan on medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter or cooking oil. Once the pan is hot, add half the quantity of egg mixture into the pan and keep the remaining to make the other sandwich. Spread it evenly into a square or rectangle shape depending on the size of your bread slices. Bring the excess egg mixture to the center. Keep the egg mixture pressed for some time so that the vegetables get cooked properly. Cook on medium-low heat until the bottom is nicely set and turns slightly golden brown. Cut the omelette into 2 equal portions. Carefully flip the omelette and cook the other side until fully done.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Once cooked, place a cheese slice on 1 egg portion and spread some butter on the other egg portion. Place the cheese portion on top of the other egg omelette and remove it from the heat and place it in a plate. Similarly, fry the other omelette. Now add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in the same pan. Once the oil is hot, add 2 salami slices. You can also use ham if you prefer. Fry them until it gets a light golden color, which will take less than a minute for one side. Once it is light golden color on one side, turn the salami slices and cook the other side. Once the other side is done, remove them and keep them aside. Now to prepare the sandwich. Place 2 toasted bread slices on a plate. Spread some mayonnaise on both the slices of the bread. Also spread some tomato ketchup. Place the egg omelette on top of 1 sliced bread. You can sprinkle a little sugar on top of the omelette like it is done in Korea. You can skip it if you want. But since our mayonnaise is homemade and is on the sweeter side, we did not add any sugar. Then place a salami or ham slice above it. Cover it with a toasted bread slice. Repeat the same process for the second sandwich. Cut the sandwich into 2 halves. Serve immediately while the bread is crisp and the cheese is hot and melted. The fluffy eggs, tender vegetables, savoury salami or ham, creamy cheese, and the delicious combination of tomato ketchup and mayonnaise creates an irresistible Korean-style sandwich that's perfect for breakfast, tiffin or lunch boxes, or an evening snack. Enjoy this delicious Korean egg sandwich and let us know in the comments if you've tried this Korean street food sandwich before. We'd love to hear from you. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.